Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students are based in a company, so he's going to share his experience.
Hi, I am Maruthi. I am from Kadar district. I have 2024 passed out and I have joined at December last year. And I came here. I don't anything about the coding. And after coming. After joining, it first start with Python, which is taken by Vijay sir, and after I was joining SQL, which is taken by Murli sir, and after attending web technology and Django, the trainers all are very talented and it teach for teach for students helps. That's
So who taken a Django class?
Alex sir is taken. He is the most brilliant, intelligent sir. And
So which are all the activities input to crack it?
it is boot camps and presentation. It is help to our communications and crack the interview.
Okay, so congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you.